Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I want to show you a 2020 Sea Ray 23 SPX outboard. This bad boy is powered by a 250 horsepower Mercury. That's the newly designed motors. In the back there's a massive swim platform back there and a nice walk-through right here with storage right there, and there's this convenient door right here if you want to close the walkway off, and a snap that holds it in place. Right here there is the conveniently located battery on-off switch. Then in the back of the boat, there's a couple things I want to show you. So this seat lifts up and gives you a nice backrest to look straight out if you want to fish or watch the sunset, whatever you're looking to do. Also, one of the coolest features about having an outboard motor on this model is the amount of storage that you have in this boat. Back here we have the designated storage for the table. There's a bow filler cushion right there. That insert goes in the front, and this bow cushion goes up there as well. Then the table base is right here. There is access to the bilge right there, but they're covered up with beauty covers, so there's no unpleasant sights to see. Right here we do have a seat that lifts up, and there's a designated storage for a removable cooler. Here's one of those table bases I was telling you about, or the insert where the table bases go. Really convenient. There's a built-in cooler right here that self-drains. And also, you guys, this boat comes with snap-in carpet. We don't have it in right now, but it's very easy to put in, very easy to clean, everything like that. Then in here, we do have tons of storage for the ski locker. We have all the canvas in there. This boat does come with a snap cover. Then these two seats, they're both have flip-up bolsters, and they do swivel. This one does move forward. This has a tilt steering wheel, Simrad Go 5 display, and your displays for everything else. One of the coolest features about the 23 SPX is it is the smallest boat that Sea Ray offers with the head. This boat has the porta potty with the pump-out head. One additional thing I want to point out to you guys, right there behind your leg, Sam, is a subwoofer. This does have an upgraded stereo package in the boat. Also has the elevation package with the tower, the bimini top, and the wakeboard racks on both sides. Moving to the front, here's where that other table base goes. Slides in there. Nice round table if you guys want to drink some wine while you're hanging out. There is anchor locker storage right here, and there's storage under both of these seats. This also has a lighting package inside, so the entire inside of the boat lights up blue. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston, showing you our 2020 Sea Ray 23 SPX outboard. Come by and see us soon.